Alright, this is Reflective Practitioner Video Journal number 1 for EDA 604. So looking over the program and course overview, one of the things I'm most excited about is the fact that this class specifically deals with culture and collaboration. So my job is very much tied to culture, and I'm understanding more and more every day how important it is to not only define a culture and have that definition be shared in understanding and commitment, but also to maintain a culture and to always actively work towards improving or sustaining that culture. One of the things I love most about this program, I've been really impressed with it overall, whether it's the PLO's professional learning objectives, or even just the expertise that's tied into it with like all these different standards, the CAPE standards, the ELL. But what I think I like most is the way the courses are structured. So this is summer term, so we've taken 2 courses now, including like that 1-unit seminar. So I'm getting the hang of how the courses are going. They all follow a pretty similar model, but I love that there's the applied theory aspect on top of the research. Teach us to be, a scholarly practitioner, and the cycle of content knowledge, clinical practice, and the reflection, I think, is managed very well with the assignments, whether it's the clinical practice assignments or the applied theory paper. Those are kind of the big assignments the consistent assignments anyways. Now we have the school growth plan, which I think is awesome. It's helped me so much in just actively reflecting about what the school needs and ensuring that I'm doing my due diligence to take the input and active participation of all stakeholders in consideration, which ultimately I think is going to make for a resilient and effective action plan. In schools, we do so much oversight as it is. We do so much accountability planning and reporting, whether it's through the LCAP, the SIPSA, WASC. As a charter, we have an additional layer of authority outside of just our central office because we're authorized through the state, through CDE. So we just have a lot of oversight and becomes really overbearing. So I think this school action plan actually helps tie all those things together. I know our WASC process this year was really eye-opening, and I'm excited to do that personally for myself, but have that personal assignment from a master's program be applied to my school and build upon what's already happening with the improvements, and take the information and data gains from WASC, from CDE, and kind of synthesize that all into something I can present and hopefully implement and then sustain. What am I looking to get out of this course? The number one thing I'm looking to get out of this course is just a better understanding of what it really takes to foster a true culture of success, and then really defining how promoting a climate that is inclusive, resilient, collaborative, and positive ultimately determines your culture. I want to know the research, the literature behind it. I want to understand the best practices, the proven methods, because culture is such a vague term. Climate is such a broad idea, right? Everything affects climate. Your suspension numbers, the participation rates, are your teachers highly qualified, turnover. Everything affects culture and climate. So what really drives that success? So I'm looking forward to all the readings. The discussion board is always one of my favorite parts, just being able to learn from my colleagues and experience their expertise, and share in their learning as well. So I'm really excited, as always.